Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sangria punch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a bottle of your favorite red or white wine, like a crisp Tempranillo or a fruity Pinot Grigio. Next, select a variety of fresh fruits such as sliced oranges, lemons, apples, and some vibrant berries. Don't forget a sweetener, perhaps a quarter cup of sugar or a dash of simple syrup, and a splash of brandy or orange liqueur to enhance the flavors. Now let's prepare the fruit. Thoroughly wash and slice your chosen fruits into appealing, bite-sized pieces or thin rounds. Place these vibrant fruit slices into a large pitcher or punch bowl. Add about a quarter cup of sugar, then gently muddle the fruit and sugar together. This step helps release the fruit's natural juices and aromas. Let this mixture macerate for at least 30 minutes or even longer to develop a rich, deep flavor. With your fruit macerated, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pour one standard 750 milliliter bottle of your chosen wine over the fruit mixture in the pitcher. Next, stir in about a quarter cup of brandy or orange liqueur. This adds a wonderful depth. For a refreshing fizz, add about a half cup of sparkling water or club soda just before serving. Now, chill your sangria punch for at least 2 hours, allowing all those delicious flavors to truly meld together. Finally, it's time to serve your delightful sangria punch. Ladle the sangria, including plenty of the fruit, into individual glasses filled with ice. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with a fresh fruit slice or a sprig of mint. If you prefer a lighter drink, a splash of soda water can be added to each serving. Enjoy your beautifully crafted, refreshing sangria punch responsibly with your friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.